Ever wondered how AI is quietly rewriting the rules of learning, and what that means for you? It's not just about robots in classrooms or smart assistants. It's about a fundamental question. How do we prepare students, teachers, and everyone to think critically about technology that's already everywhere? Let's start with a simple truth. AI used to feel like magic. In 2022, most people saw it as something for experts, hidden in labs or fancy tech companies. But today, AI is in our phones, our schools, even our doctors' offices. Yet education is different. Unlike a bank using AI to catch fraud, schools are about people. How do we use AI here without losing the human touch? Enter acculturation, a term that means learning how to live with AI. It's not just about knowing how to click a button. It's about understanding why these tools matter. Think of it like learning to drive. You need to know the basics, but also how to navigate tricky roads. For students and teachers, this means building two superpowers: critical thinking and computational thinking. Critical thinking is your human superpower. It's not just about memorizing facts. It's asking, what's the bigger picture? Who benefits? What could go wrong? Imagine a teacher evaluating an AI tool. Instead of jumping on the latest trend, they ask, does this actually help students learn, or is it just flashy? But here's the twist. Many teachers aren't trained to think this way. A recent study found that without this mindset, even well-meaning educators might end up using tools that reinforce biases or ignore ethical issues. Like an AI that's trained on unfair data, accidentally labeling students in ways that hurt their chances. That's where computational thinking comes in. It's not about coding, it's about problem solving. Think of it as a toolkit for understanding how AI works. How do algorithms make decisions? What happens when we feed them data? Computational thinking teaches teachers to break down complex problems, spot patterns, and design solutions that work with technology, not against it. And it's not just for tech experts. Projects like Class'Code in France or CoCreaTic in Quebec are proving that even young students can learn this way. One activity had French high schoolers create an interactive story with a robot named Vivot, learning how algorithms work by writing their own rules for its behavior. The bottom line: AI isn't a threat, it's a tool. But like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. By fostering critical and computational thinking, we're not just teaching students to use AI. We're teaching them to shape the future.